The first section is product introduction. All wiring ports are located on the back, with signal antenna for Wi-Fi connection and 2 sets of PV input ports for connecting solar panels. DC output ports used to connect microinverters. There are 2 battery expansion ports, allowing NOAH 2000 to be stacked for battery capacity expansion. The main power button is used to turn it on and off. The battery level indicator shows the remaining capacity of the NOAH. One light represents 25% battery capacity. Solar panel connection indicator shows the NOAH had solar power input when it's lightened. Microinverter operation indicator shows the microinverter is running when it's lightened. IoT indicator shows the Wi-Fi connection status. IoT button is used to turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. What's in the packet box are documentations, PV input extension cables, DC output cables, cable locker, fixed bracket, and H4 withdrawal tool.